Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share our Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Kaiāmio Whakapehapeha by Aesop. There are two kupu hou in our kōrero, and the first is in the title, Whakapehapeha. It means to boast. Anei te tauira. I whakapehapeha te tama ki ōna hoa. The boy boasted to his friends. Our second kupu is pohewa. With its whiore hāngu, it becomes pohewa tia, and it means to imagine. Kua roa nei te kōtiro e pohewa ana ki tāna hararei e kainamu mai nei. The girl has been imagining her upcoming holiday for a long time. Kia are mai o taringa, listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hāna nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Kaiāmio Whakapehapeha, nā Aesop. I te whakangahautia a tini tāngata e tētahi tāne, i ona hokinga mahara ki ana kaihoratanga. Tērā tētahi wā, i tai atu au ki rohi, tāna kōrero. A e mōhio nei koutou, kua rongo nui a ngā i rohi i ā rātou peke peke. Kāti, i pērā te rahi o taku peke i reira, ki hai i paku tata tā tētahi anō. Me whakapono mai. Me te aha, me nā tātou i reira, kua oti au te whakakao i ngā tāngata te kau, e taunaki ai ngā kōrero. Hei aha te haerenga ki rohi e whaia ai ngā kaititiro, te uinga a tētahi o ana kai whakarongo. Pohewatia noatia, kei reira tonu rā koe, nā, whakaatu mai tō peke. Ko te kiko te kōrero, ka taunaki i te kitenga atu. The Boasting Traveller by Aesop. A man was one day entertaining a lot of fellows with an account of the wonders he had done when abroad on his travels. I was once at Rhodes, said he, and the people of Rhodes, you know, are famous for jumping. Well, I took a jump there that no other man could come within a yard of. That's a fact, and if we were there, I could bring you 10 men who would prove it. What need is there to go to Rhodes for witnesses? Asked one of his hearers. Just imagine that you're there now, and show us your leap. The moral being, seeing is believing. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tāu whakarongo mai. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. If you're looking for a way to support Whakamiere, you can now purchase digital copies of all the stories from every one of our Paki Waitara episodes without needing to subscribe. Simply visit the Whakamiere Patreon page and head over to the shop tab. You'll find all the Paki Waitara there. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to and want to show your tautoko in a non-pūtau way, please consider leaving a like and a review on your podcast app. It really helps small podcasts like this to grow. A big mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast could not be ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who would like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. If you're interested in the Patreon subscriptions, head on over to patreon.com/whakamiere to learn all about them. They start at just $6. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you'd like to get in touch with us about the podcast, you can email whakamiere@gmail.com. Ko Taurapa au, e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoa mā.